Welcome to another video. We got some exciting news today. We're doing the full installation on a Dodge Charger RT. Customer brought his own kit, and he was trying to get some more ideas on what color to go with. If we're gonna do like a full wrap on it with wrapping all the flares, which is I think like 12 to 16 flares from there. But I also gave him the option of color matching it to the color of the car, which is granite gray. So he said might as well do the do the paint color match, and then if he doesn't like that route, then he's gonna come back and get it wrapped. So I'm gonna step out the car right now. The kit is not on. I advise you, the kit is not on right now. But let me go outside, show you guys the cuts, and then go back to the shop, show you guys the paints, the parts already painted, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of footage on how I install the stuff. Not too much of that because I need to try to get it done. Today's Tuesday. Another bad thing is the hardware wasn't in the box, so now I gotta run down to the store and see if I find me some rivets, some screws. But anyways, that's me to deal with, and customer is understandable, so we're gonna try to get it done today and have them pick it up tomorrow. So let me step out the car, show you guys the cuts, and from there we'll go. I also just realized that this was a return customer from previous years ago, maybe 1 or 2 years ago, because he does have our 2-piece wig grill, our diffuser. He also has the rear spats. Those we didn't install because those are the wrong size for us. We wouldn't do that. And he does have our front lip as well, the ones we have on our website. If you guys ever need something like that, this one's pretty old, but I know it's been on there for quite some time. But like I said, guys, let me get back in the car, show you guys the parts, how they came out insane. The paint is perfect. Let me show you guys. Yo guys, Widebody kit is fully installed. Line skid, yes sir. Made it happen before the sun went down, so driving it right now, as you can see. Let me get out the car real quick and show you guys the final outcome. Came out insane. Check it out. Guys, so it's been a long day. My hand is killing me from doing all the home doors, back doors, panels. The bumpers are a little easier, but what can I say, guys? Came out insane. I'm gonna wrap it up real quick. I gotta do some videos for Instagram. But if anybody has some questions regarding how to install it, or if you guys want to prize on recutting all the fenders off door, doing installation, then we'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Once again, thanks for everybody watching our videos. Subscribe, like, drop a comment, some positive stuff, like all the negative shit. Anyways, so next time guys, thanks.